Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to go for a drive in the Forester to pick up another engine. Stay tuned. Alrighty boys, last episode fixed a coolant leak up here, and I just tested to see if it was actually leaking on the top here. It seems like it's not, but we may have a little bit of weeping there. Bit of colour change. Alrighty. Let's get this going. I'm going to head over to my parents' place. Yep, that's right boys. I'm going to go pick up the k24 from my parents' place. So I'm going to take the Forester and put the trailer on. The engine crane on the trailer with the engine stand, and then bring it in here. We do have a bit of space at the back there, so this doesn't have to come all the way forward, and we can work on it at the front here with the lights, bench. We do still need to pick up a bench for here as well, a metal one that we can do some welding on, and it's clean and not wood, so we can do some engine work too. Alrighty guys, still got a leak, and a quick one at that I think. Maybe it was just sitting on something when I started up it came off, but let's go for a drive. Alrighty guys, sorry about the weird angle, but I haven't got all the different bits on the sucker. This is all you're going to get. Alrighty. Get a scrape. No. Ooh. It's all about that angle, isn't it, boys? Angle of the dangle. Alrighty. So we're going to bring back the trailer, the k24, probably my pipe bender, and just some other stuff that doesn't fit in the Skyline. Wind noise, if there is wind noise. Alright. So a little chat. What should I do with the Forester, guys? I don't know. I'm like scratching my head. Do I pull the engine out and go over it again, make sure there's no leaks and whatnot, or do I just replace it with k24? Do I make a Hondaroo for myself? I have been watching Boosted Boys. There's a copper there. He's being sneaky, and yeah. What do I need? Like engine mounts, adapter plate. Yeah. Engine mounts, adapter plate. It's already in auto. Need to fix the auto. Would that be a great time to do a manual swap? Should I take the engine out, do a manual swap? Yeah, I believe tail shafts don't need to be changed on the automatics if you go into a 6-speed. Comment down below if I am wrong. I'd like to find a second-hand 6-speed, obviously. Come on! Get off your phone. Jeez. Whoa. think I need to check the old water once I get to my parents' place. Just heard a lot of water moving. What are you doing? Oh, here we go. Ah, nearly saw a crash. Yeah, I love it. I know, but anyways, I'm bringing the K24 over. I'm going to start pulling it apart. Never worked on a Honda before. A lot of cops out today. As I make my car loud. Just cruise. Haven't got much petrol and not too sure about this coolant stuff yet, so keep it low key. Alrighty boys, we made it. Reversed in. Gonna set up the crane first. And Mum should be home actually, it's a day off. But I'll have to go down further to get the trailer on and then see how we go getting the engine onto the trailer and strapping it down and whatnot. And everything else that we're gonna be putting in it. Plus put the cord, so I need to charge you guys too. Here we go boys. Put the trailer on the Foz. And I'll wheel the K24 out. Just over here now. And see if I can't get that up onto it. It is pretty high. So we'll see. Alrighty, got everything. Got the engine crane in the back. Just because where the engine's sitting in the trailer, I can't really push it any further. And yeah, let's go. And we're off. I can see it back there. Going very slow. Hey, we made it, and it's still there. I hate reversing our trailer, so I'm going to take it off and see if I can just swing it around. Alrighty, I'm just gonna turn the Forester around, get it away from this tree. Yeah, Jazzy out. Coming out. Coming out. Come on. Come on. No, she's going to chill in the back. Alright, so I've actually made it longer, so it's a bit better reach. Hopefully the front wheels on the crane don't go off the slab concrete. Yeah. Hey. We've got it here, boys. Got it here. Hi guys, we've got the K24 here now. And an aeroplane as well, apparently. But if you like this episode, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and comment down below what we should do with that K24. Catch you next episode, guys. Bye.